So here it sits on our countertop next to the stove, which so I love that this pulls out. You can take these out, and it comes with a bunch of pieces that I actually put away already before I decided to write the review. But it's pretty nice. And you know, it's metal. This all gets hot. And if you read my review, we have a mat that's coming that's going to go under there. There's these legs to keep it away from the wall, but we still pull it out when we use it. You know, we pull it out away from the wall to get, because I'm just don't want anything to happen. And this is actually pretty easy to use. Some people have complained. You turn it on, you can adjust it. This here, you click menu, there's toast, and go through all the different settings. And then you know, would hit start here. And then there's even you get a probe with it. You can preheat, you can sear. There's presets that you can set up. You can just have a warmer. And then top and bottom I use mostly so far for toast, though we've only used this 3 times. You have a light and you have fan settings that go, I think to 3, yeah. So yeah, I really like it. Yeah. So like if you want it, it has a probe. It comes with a little probe you stick in. You click that so it will register. And it'll tell you when it's done. I haven't used it yet. But, you know, I just got it. And I will update as I use things. So that's, I'm not having a problem. I do want to mention I did buy it used instead of new. I think I got it off 60% off. I've done this before. It's a little scary because you're afraid, but it had free returns, so you can return it if it's really messed up. But everything seemed to be in shape. I just had this one little scratch right here that I noticed when I unboxed it, but outside of that, everything's good. Can't complain.
Yeah, I like this. This is nice. That's money that's well spent. I like this. I can do anything in this. I ain't got to use this no more. No more conventional oven. I got this. Do it all. I should have got a bigger one though. I should have got the XL. Well, I should have got the bigger one that they had so I could put a turkey in it. But I like this though. Anyway, you can do anything in it. Buy one. I'm trusting you. You're gonna like it. And the table, oh yeah, the table is good. It goes just right with this. Buy it.
So I'm using this Nuwave Bravo XL Pro toaster oven, smart oven and air fryer, and it's making this weird sound. I'm not sure if that's normal or not, but I'm not in love with that sound that's coming out of it.